Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng house and lot na located sa Dasmariñas, Cavite for as low as 15,384 monthly sa Pag-ibig? Minimalist house sa loob ng isang exclusive Japanese-inspired community? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Introducing Aria Townhouse Model, 2 reopened units na may lot size na 60 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 carport at meron pa tayong space sa back for service area at pwede nyong itong gamitin for extension ng inyong kitchen area. At floor area na 42 square meters, kaya naman may enough space pa rin tayo para sa ating minimalist living, dining at kitchen area. Provision din ito for 2 bedroom. Basic finish turnover. Ang advantage nito ay mako-customize mo ang interior design, sukat at layout ng mga rooms. Located ito along Emilio Aguinaldo, Dasmariñas, Cavite at few minutes drive going to Robinson, Palapala, SM Dasmariñas and Tagaytay. Accessible din ito to Manila dahil 1 bus ride lang ito going to PITX. Available through bank and Pag-ibig financing, kaya naman kung interesado ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!